Thank you for checking out the True Fitness Service and Documentation YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to show you the ins and outs of True Fitness's HIIT touchscreen console. Let's jump right in and show you what the HIIT touchscreen console is all about. Before we get too deep into the ins and outs of the console, we want to show you how to connect your console to a wireless network. You will need to get into the setup wizard. To do that, press and hold the True logo in the top left corner of the screen until a keypad appears. Type in 10101 and enter to access the wizard. Once there, click on Setup, and then Network Setup. The default setting is set to wireless. Touch the box that says Scan. This will bring up another dialog box as shown. Press Scan here as well to look for the wireless network you want to use. Choose your network and then touch OK. You will then need to enter in the password and touch Apply or Exit. You can test the connection, move on to the next item in the setup wizard, or exit back to the home screen. Speaking of the home screen, we will show you how to change it. Get back into the setup wizard. But this time select Options from the list, and then touch the box to enable Program Home Screen. You can then exit and return to the home screen. Next, touch the drop-down menu in the top right corner to get into Settings. Here you can control volume and brightness settings as well as get into your personal settings where you can enter your age and weight to estimate maximum heart rate and calorie expenditure estimations during the appropriate workout. Did you know you can easily change languages on your HIIT touchscreen console? Simply touch the flag on the bottom of the screen and you can choose from 13 languages. Additionally, you can change languages in the settings menu before starting a workout. You can set up your Bluetooth connections from the settings menu as well. Whether you want to connect your headphones, heart rate monitor, mobile or tracking app like Zwift or Kino Map, you can access your Bluetooth connections directly from the home page too. Here is an in-depth look at how to connect to Bluetooth headphones. Navigate to your Bluetooth options shown here through the settings menu. Touch the headphones image. The console will pull up any available Bluetooth devices it can find. Once you see yours, select it and follow the prompts to connect your headphones. Let's dig a little deeper into the home screen. We start with Quick Start. There are tabs on each side that let you control your workout experience. The Media tab on the left and the Display tab on the right. First, the track view. There is the standard round quarter-mile or 400-meter track view. There is also walking path or road course view to give the user a different look. It is 1 mile in length but adjusts depending on the workout, meaning if you're running a 5K, then the path is 5 kilometers. The Graph View screen provides a real-time display of the user's current workout metrics based on the type of workout selected. The user has the option to customize the display. The Distance sphere lets them choose to see miles, pace, or average pace. The Calories circle can show average calories per hour or total estimated calories burned. The third option can show METs or metabolic equivalents, which indicate the intensity of the workout. Users can tap this circle to change to RPMs if using a bike. They can also choose between watts and feet climbed based on the equipment they are on and the workout they are doing. Taking a look at the navigation bar at the top of the screen. If you touch the Connect to Apple Watch in the top right, you will see the Apple Watch connectivity screen display. There you will find instructions for connecting an Apple Watch device to the console during a workout. Follow the on-screen prompts on the console and the Apple Watch device to complete the pairing process. Note the Apple Watch connectivity screen can also be accessed from the console home screen to pair your Apple Watch device with the console before starting a workout. Similarly, on the other side of the navigation bar, simply tap your Galaxy Watch to see the instructions for connecting a Galaxy Watch device to the console during a workout. Follow the on-screen prompts on the console and the Galaxy Watch device to complete the pairing process. Just like the Apple process, the Galaxy Watch connectivity screen can be accessed from the console home screen before starting a workout. Next, we look at the heart rate portion of the navigation bar. If you touch this, a drop-down menu appears letting you choose between beats per minute, average heart rate, or % of max heart rate. Under time elapsed, you can pick your preference here as well. Touching the Bluetooth symbol here gives you the same options you had from the Settings tab to connect your devices. HRC, or Heart Rate Cruise Control, was created by True Fitness. To use it, the user must be in a workout to activate HRC Cruise Control. While in any program, Cruise Control lets you set the current heart rate as the target heart rate by pressing a single button. The Cruise Control program takes control of the settings to maintain your target heart rate. If beats per minute exceeds the target heart rate by more than 12, the workout will end and cool down will begin. You have a few options to choose from if you want to change your incline during a treadmill workout. You can use the plus and minus icons, press the keypad, or slide open the quick keys option. Same applies to changing your speed when using a true treadmill. The next program from the home screen is Draw Your Own Workout. In this program, you simply slide your finger across the chart as shown to set incline and workload levels, or select a preset profile to customize. You can also use the plus and minus keys to adjust. Target HRC is a program unique to True Fitness. You simply choose your target heart rate, and the workout begins in manual control, gradually increasing workload until your heart rate is within 10 beats per minute of the target. At this point, the machine takes control of workload to maintain heart rate within a few beats of the target. The HRC workouts are unique because you need to enter the key parameters of your workout prior to starting the workout. This includes target heart rate, maximum speed, maximum incline, maximum resistance, and time. Next up, preset workouts. You may select from specific workout categories listed on the top of the screen and then drill down to all available workouts, such as standard programs, heart rate programs, goal programs, or specialty programs. To begin a workout, swipe through the workout list and press anywhere within the workout bounding box to select it. Press the next arrow to continue. Virtual views provide users with a scenic, first-person video to enhance their workout. Select the playlist icon to scroll through the list of available videos and make your selection. To display the video in full screen mode, select the full screen icon. The HIIT view lets you customize your interval training by defining the workout and recovery periods by adjusting your age, weight, workout time, recover time, and how many rounds you want to complete in your workout. Last but not least of the workout options from the home screen is Distance Goal. You can set up your own workout based off distance. This program also lets you set your age, weight, speed, and incline settings before starting the workout. There are many more features to the HIIT touchscreen console. Next, we will look at app management. First, you need to get back into the setup wizard. As shown earlier, press and hold the True logo in the top left corner of the screen until a keypad appears. Type in the appropriate passcode to get into the wizard. Once there, click on Setup and then App Selection. To add or remove an installed app from the console display, select an app to highlight it and select Add or Remove. To delete an app from the console, select Delete App. Users can then access the apps from two places: from the home screen as shown. Second, from the Media tab during a workout. Once there, select the Apps option. You can select the app of your choice and follow the on-screen instructions. The Media tab is the place to go again if you want to watch TV. Once there, touch the Entertainment logo to get to your media options. This example takes you directly to TV. You can control volume and channel selection using the up and down arrows or the keypad. You can also expand to full screen while still being able to see your workout display. The HIIT touchscreen console can also accommodate IPTV. Like regular TV, you get there by going to the Entertainment portion of the Media tab and then selecting IPTV if it is available. The controls are the same as regular television. Ending a workout is as simple as hitting the stop, pause icon. From here, you can return to your workout, reset the pause and cool down timers, or end the workout. Ending the workout will take you to a workout summary page and eventually back to the home page for the next workout or user. Thank you for watching this True Fitness HIIT touchscreen console explanation video. If you have any questions, please contact your sales rep.